Why, hello there, everyone. I am doing more design challenges, and this is not my area of expertise, but I'm going to show you my process. So here's the prompt. It's from hype4.academy, and it's like $6 a month, and they give you a new prompt every day, and there's all kinds of courses on there that are really, really good. And the guy who makes it is super responsive, and he's just an awesome guy. So that's my quick plug for them. But here, what we've got here is we've got a media player. It's basically for music. And first thing I did is I started looking for icons. So I knew that we were going to need some icons. And so I just started gathering them from, this is Tabler and this is Phosphor. I ended up going with Phosphor. And then what I did is I just kind of started laying out all the components. So these are all basically the same size. Yeah, these are all 48 high. I started laying out the typography, and you can see it's just very, very loose. Then the next thing I did was I started kind of laying it out basically into the general shape, the general form. Then I went ahead and started using the red square method to start laying out the components and the padding around the item. Started giving it like a border radius. After that, I started just detailing out some of the items. So you can see that we've filled in these. We've made this a duotone icon, and we started refining the padding even further. And then from there, I removed those items and I started sketching out where the drop shadow is going to go and just kind of generally refining the placement. I think one of the big things is, I brought these in. So you can see that these got brought in a little bit, just a little bit more tweaking on padding. And then I recolored it. And so this is my final one here. I actually feel pretty good about it. I'm not 100% sold on the colors, especially the background, but I think it looks pretty good and it feels like something that I would use. So that's pretty rad. This is my day 2 for design challenges.